Hello. Um, this is going to be just a quick chat. I just decided to start recording and words came out of my mouth and I decided to share them with you. So please join me in why do I do yoga and what is yoga? Hello, my name is Montse and this is So Yoga with Montse. So I just very quickly would like to talk about what is yoga? What is yoga? So for many people, yoga is a fancy exercise regime or something you do at home, just a few stretches, or perhaps it's a much stronger practice. But mostly in the West is synonymous with physical practice. And yoga is much more than that. I remember, I don't know, anecdote time. So I remember I was in India and I was sitting by the river Ganges or Ganga, and there was some festivities going on, and there was this lady next to me, and she was very excited about talking to the foreigner so she could practice her English. And we started to have a conversation. So what are you doing here? And I was like, oh, I'm coming because I'm studying yoga. And she said, oh, yes, I do yoga. She said super proudly. I said, oh, fantastic. What do you do? She said, well, I chant. This is yoga. So we were doing this festivity, which was like chanting next to the river. And that was yoga. And this is yoga. And so yoga is much more than just the asanas that we've learned. And if you go to India, you see it's permeating through society in many ways. Why do yoga? And why all these differences? And which yoga should I choose? So many questions. I'll tell you why I do yoga. So I started many years ago because I hated exercise. So I was going to the gym like you do. I started in the 90s and I was going to the gym and the machines and all that. And I was looking through the classes just to get a bit inspired and to tell someone and to get someone to tell me what to do, because otherwise if I'm just doing machines or just following my own, I just get bored. So I like being told what to do. So of course, back then, the typical classes were steps. I don't know if anyone is old enough to remember steps. And a few weight thingies. But there was a yoga class and I joined that and it was pretty popular. And there was a yoga teacher and he was wonderful. He was great. I think he was an ex-dancer. And I loved it. I loved it because I felt that there was a great balance between effort and relaxation. And my issue with exercise is that it seems to be always effort. And I get tired. And I get bored, or I get like, oh. So I feel that because I can't do it, so my confidence drops. But with yoga, my confidence didn't drop because I was improving slowly and almost without realizing. So benefit number one, in confidence, confidence improving. So weird, right? So you would think that yoga benefits. Immediately you think about more stretchy body, perhaps stress relief, but confidence is one big benefit as well. You gain confidence in many aspects of your life. You gain confidence, confidence in your body, you get confidence in your life, in your endeavors. You start daring to do more things. I mean, I think yoga has been a big element. It's been a big element in my life for a long time, but it's been a bit catalyst for change as well. Okay, for change into being more me, into just allowing myself to be who I want to be. I know it sounds a bit out there, being myself who I want to be. I know it's a bit, like a platitude, right? But it's true. So I want that. I want that for everyone. I want people not to have to wait 50 years like me, to kind of grow confidently into who they want to be. So that's one of the reasons I not just do yoga, practice yoga, but teach yoga, because I know it can help enormously to your confidence, to your self-esteem, and to your self-growth. Right? All right, I'm going to leave it at this today. But if you have any questions, just leave me comments in the comments section, and let me know what you think. Why do you do yoga? Do you do yoga? Have you ever practiced yoga? What is yoga for you? What it comes to your mind when you first think yoga? And let me know your thoughts, right? And yes, please subscribe. That always helps. And click that little bell, the notifications button, so when I post another video, you'll be the first one to know. And thank you so much for being here. Thank you.